Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, we are going to see the method of variation of parameter method, linear differential equation, engineering mathematics 3. Myself, Professor Rupali Undhane, working as assistant professor in KK Wagh Engineering College, Nasik. So let's begin with the method of variation of parameter method. So we can solve when the equation of the type suppose if we're having this equation a d2y by dx square plus b dy by dx plus cy is equal to x. So when we want to simplify this kind of differential equation, so we can use the method of variation of parameter method. So where a, b, c are constant and this x is any function of x. So to solve this MVP method, so there are steps. Step number 1, we can find the YC. YC is nothing but CF. CF means complementary function, that is C1Y1 plus C2Y2. So using complementary function, you can easily calculate this Y1 and Y2. Okay. Step number 2. Step number 2 is find YP. So YP stands for particular integral. So particular integral is here uy1 plus vy2. So here we want to find out this value of u as well as value of v. Using complementary function, you can easily find out the value of y1 and y2. So step number 3, we want to find out this u. So u is nothing but integration y2x upon w dx. And v is nothing but integration y1x upon w dx. So using these two formulae, you can easily find out u and v. Sorry, minus is there. Now, again we require w also. So this w is called as Wronskian, and you can easily calculate this as determinant y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. So using this u, v, w, we can easily calculate. So step number 1 is find out yc. Step number 2 is find out the particular integral. So for the particular integral, we will find out u as well as v as well as w. And the last step is step number 4. We will write general solution. So general solution of linear differential equation is yc plus yp. So this is a procedure to find out the general solution of method of variation of parameter. Let's begin with the example of MVP method. So here we want to find the solution of differential equation by using MVP method. So differential equation is here given, that is d2y by dx square plus y is equal to cosec x. So we are going to solve this example by using MVP method. So as we have already seen, what is the method to find out the solution of MVP method? Step number 1, we are going to find out complementary function. So for every example, first we will write the auxiliary equation. So how to write this auxiliary equation? For that, we will first of all, we will substitute d by dx as capital D. So in the given differential equation, replace d by dx as capital D. So differential equation will be like d square y plus y is equal to cosec x. Okay. For the next step, we will take y common. So it will be look like d square plus 1 into y is equal to cosec x. So given differential equation reduces to d square plus 1 into y is equal to cosec x. So this d square plus 1 is nothing but what? Polynomial in D. And equating that polynomial to 0, that is nothing but auxiliary equation. So we are equating this polynomial to what? 0. So d square plus 1 equal to 0. So you can easily find out its roots. So d is equal to plus minus I. So which kind of these roots are? This plus minus I. So roots are, first root is plus I and second root is minus I. So roots are imaginary and distinct. So roots are imaginary and distinct. So we will compare this with standard form of complex number, that is alpha plus minus I beta. So we can easily put the value of alpha. So here part is absent, so that's the value of alpha is 0. And value of beta means coefficient of I is here. Coefficient of I is here 1. So with the value of alpha is 0 and value of beta is 1. Here we are getting the roots are plus minus I. So here value of alpha 0 and value of beta is 1. So the roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary and distinct. With the value of alpha 0, the value of beta is 1. So we can easily write its complementary function when the roots are imaginary and distinct. So its formula is e raised to alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Right? So this is the standard formula of complementary function when the roots are imaginary and distinct. So here we are going to put the value of alpha and beta. Alpha 0 and beta is 1. So it becomes e raised to 0x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So this is our required complementary function. So here yc is here e raised to 0x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. E raised to 0x become 1. So simply we c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. For the MVP method, yc is nothing but c1 y1 plus c2 y, right? So here coefficient of c1 is nothing but y1, right? And coefficient of c2 is nothing but y2. So using this complementary function, we got the value of y1 is cos x and the value of y2 is sin x. As we got the value of y1 is cos x and the value of y2 is sin x. So using this y1, y2, we can easily calculate W. W is nothing but what? Wronskian. And that Wronskian can be calculated by the standard formula, that is determinant y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. So we can substitute the value of y1 and y2 here. So W is nothing but y1 is over here cos x, y2 is here sin x. So derivative of cos x become sin x and derivative of sin x become cos x. So if you solve this determinant, you will get W as, solve this determinant, you will get this as cos square x minus sin is there, so minus minus become plus. So cos square x plus sin square x become 1. So here we are getting the value of W is 1. So Wronskian we got 1. So after finding W, Next is you want to find the value of u and v. So u is nothing but integration minus y2x upon w dx. Now let's substitute value of y2, capital X and w. Capital X is nothing but what? This cosec x is nothing but what? Capital X. So let's substitute the value integration minus value of y2 sin x, value of x, that is 1 upon cosec x dx, value of w is 1. So students, minus, we can write this cosec as 1 upon 5. Sorry, here is not 1. Okay, now substitute value of y2 is sin x, value of x is cosec x, value of w is 1 dx. We can substitute value of cosec. Cosec is nothing but what? 1 upon sine, and that sine get cancelled. So c will remain there dx. So cosec can be written as 1 upon sine. So sine get cancelled. C will remain dx. So what is the integration of single one? That is minus x. We are getting the value of u is here minus x. So after finding u, next is v. So v is nothing but integration y1x upon w dx. So we can substitute again the value y1 x and w. So value of y1 is cos x, value of x is cosec x dx, and w is again 1. Students, again there is again substitute value of cosec as 1 upon sine. So we are getting here cos x upon sin x dx. So integration of cos x upon sin x is nothing but log of sin x. So numerator is derivative of denominator. So we are getting the v is for log of sin x. Now yp is nothing but uy1 plus dy2. This is a standard formula of particular integral. As we have find out the value of u and v, and we know the value of y1. So let's substitute the value of u, v, y1 and y2. So a particular integral become value of u is here minus x. Value of y1 is cos x. Value of v we got log of sin x. And value of y2 is here sin x. So we got the value of particular integral is this. So step number 2 is over. So last step number 3. Step number 3 is what about general solution. So general solution is nothing but yc plus yp. So yc is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Substitute value of yc as well as yp. And value of yp is minus x cos x plus sin x into log of sin x. So we are seeing the example of method of variation of parameter method. I hope you understood this method of variation of parameter. Thanks for watching my video.